privileged to tell you guys a little bit about what the club has going on for our flagship event at the Chicago Botanic Gardens this Labor Day weekend. So some of you may have found out about the club initially through our show that we have there every year on Labor Day weekend. And we start off on Saturday, September 3rd, with a survey where we'll be collecting specimens to display at the show. During that time at Potawatomi Woods, we will also have a grill party with not exactly sure how that's going to work out this year, keeping in mind that everybody wants to maybe keep some social distancing and want to have some guardrails around foods, but there will be a component of sharing a meal together at Potawatomi Woods on Saturday, September 3rd. Following up the next day on Sunday, September 4th, that's when all of the excitement happens at the Chicago Botanic Gardens, where the club gets to further our educational mission of introducing people to the fungal diversity that's all around them. Now, what makes all of this happen? It's our club members and volunteers. So I'm here today on behalf of Lorinda Sues, our 4A chair, long-term member of the IMA, requesting anybody who can help us out on either or both of the days, please step forward and give us a hand. There's lots to do on both days. So on Saturday, it's helping with the collecting, packing up specimens to take over to the garden, helping with the organization of the food and sort of the grill party. On Sunday, we look for people to kind of show up early and help us to set up. There's a lot to do, moving tables, putting skirts on the tables, helping with identification. During the course of the day on Sunday, we'll need some people to interact with the public and introduce them to the wonderful world of fungi here in our region. Now, you might say to yourself, I don't know that much about mushrooms. I can't interact with the public. But don't worry, just by virtue of the fact that you're in this virtual room here together with us, you absolutely know enough about mushrooms to speak and chat with people who might visit the show, even if it's just to share your own enthusiasm in terms of learning more about the mycological diversity that we have here. What do you do in order to volunteer? Very easy. You can email Lorinda Sues and also the Illinois Mycological Association directly. We actually ask that you email both of them and let us know if you have a particular role that you're interested in volunteering for, a particular day, and include your phone number. I'm going to drop the details down into the chat. And then I know Kathy later on in the program will drop it in maybe one or two more times to be sure that everybody has the information. Can I answer any questions about the show right now and what's involved in volunteering? I'm going to drop off just a little bit, but definitely we have other people who are here who would be able to answer any questions you may have. Again, don't forget to email Lorinda and the club at the email addresses dropped in the chat. And I look forward to seeing some and all of you at the Botanic Gardens September 3rd, September 4th, and the day before at our survey.